Some Democrats have reportedly been pressuring President Biden to negotiate with Speaker McCarthy on the debt ceiling. Joining us right now is Brian Gardner, Stifel Financial Chief Washington Policy Strategist. I want to thank you for joining us. You think there's a negotiation that's going to happen at least now, or is there? We're going to wait to the last second?
I think we're going to ramp up over time, right? It's not going to wait to the last second, but they're not there yet. I mean, you alluded to Majority Leader Schumer's comments before that it's a step backward. It's not the House vote wasn't a step backwards. It was a step forward in trying to get negotiations going. But a deal will happen at the last minute, but negotiations will slowly ramp up before then.
And what do they look like when they happen?
Yeah, neither side is going to get what it wants, right? So the Republicans put out a very aggressive plan on cutting various programs and capping spending going forward. They're not going to get all of that. They're not going to get close to all of that. At the same time, the Biden administration and the president has been saying that he's not going to negotiate at all. Well, that's an untenable position as well. I suspect you're going to get a rollback of unspent COVID funds, some clean energy permitting reform, some odds and ends like that. But it's going to be a fraction of what House Republicans put forward last week.
When do you think the negotiations begin, though? I know you said it's like a slow roll, but what is the tipping point, given that we're still with nothing here?
Yeah, so the House is out of session this week, and so until the House gets back, I think I think negotiations probably pick up right before Memorial Day and then start to ramp up through June. We're still waiting to hear back from Treasury about when the actual X date is going to be.
Yeah, what do you think the real X date is, and how much padding is in there?
No one knows. I mean, if you can get to June 15th, you get more corporate tax receipts coming into the government, and so that gives Treasury a little bit more time, probably into July. So it's a floating target. We don't know, but Treasury telling us, giving us more clarity about when that would be very helpful. And I think once Treasury says that, that's another event that kind of along the way that will get the two parties going. If Treasury says it's going to be July, then that Memorial date that I just gave you probably is on the early side, right, and they wait till after Memorial Day to really engage. If Treasury comes out and says, yeah, it's going to be June 11th, just to throw out a hypothetical number, then I think when the House gets back in a week or so, then it really ramps up.
Brian, how much do you think your clients and the market really cares? Is this just a big yawner so far? I mean, in terms of just the number of phone calls and emails that you're getting now from your clients about this, asking you to opine to them about it, are you seeing a ramp? What are you actually seeing as a barometer of all this?
I would say it's a slow ramp. There has been a jaded view the whole time, kind of, a very skeptical view of Washington. They're going to get a deal done at the end of the day. I think there is a sense within among investors that I'm talking to that slowly they're coming to the realization that this is going to go to the last minute. And there is actually more of a possibility that they have thought previously that we're going to get past that X date without a deal. And then what happens? How do the fixed income markets and how do the financial markets function? Who's getting paid? Who's not getting paid? Right. What are the economic ramifications? People are starting to pay attention to this slowly but surely.